Welcome back to the new video on my YouTube channel, guys. Today, guys, we are going to talk about, guys, how to unpair Wi-Fi network in our Tecno phone. Friends, you want to unpair your Wi-Fi network, so friends, you can unpair. And guys, now let's see how to unpair Wi-Fi network in our Tecno phone. In this video, friends, I will show you. So before starting video, friends, I want to tell you, guys, if you're in my channel, so then first of all, go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video. Then first of all, open your phone setting to unpair your Wi-Fi network. So we will turn on our phone setting, and as you can see, Wi-Fi setting, friends, tap here. So as you can see, guys, we have this 5G network paired, and we want to unpair. So guys, how can you unpair? And friends, you want to share this network, so friends, you can share from here. So guys, press on Wi-Fi network, and guys, click on this forget option to unpair. So this Wi-Fi network will unpair means forget. Then guys, you cannot use. Guys, you want to use, so you will have to enter password. Then guys, you can connect it. Then guys, you can pay it, and guys, you can use this Wi-Fi network. So like that, guys, you can unpair your Wi-Fi network in your Tecno phone. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video, guys. We will meet on next video. Bye, friends.